Well, today we got the track on yesterday, the thing on the saw on the track. So today I want to put the lifting part up on top. So first thing I have to do is look and decide how it works. It's not terribly heavy, and it obviously can. This one side is round, so that slides over the tube. The question becomes which side is top and which side is bottom. Obviously, the text on it is like this. So the problem is once this side slides over, that side bolts. So when I do it by myself, I'm going to have trouble because I can't hold it up in place. So I need something so to set this thing on, slide it on there, but I need something to set it on to hold it. Actually, might hold it. Should we try and see? It's actually somewhat heavy. That's why they said leave the make sure I got the right bolt. Yep. Going down on me. It's kind of heavy. Tighten up the collar. See if I tightened it up too much. It's ready to slip down if I move it. Let's see if I can get it loose. C-clamp or something like that around there would be about perfect. Yeah, that'll work. Now, let's see if we can get this thing to line up over here. That's why you gotta tighten that up so that you can get it to connect. I'll bring the camera over here so you can see what I'm doing. So what I did is I put this plate, 2 bolts, and they just thread into there. And this one over here just clamps on. I imagine I should level this so that it's all set up. Then these you turn the crank and that pulls up cables and down cables, and I haven't studied. I got the cable set, but I'm not quite sure how that works. I guess I'll have to read the instructions. Anyway, this was I'll tighten this up and probably level it on both sides, and then that'll be another part.